will show you some bridges for rimless frame. Check these 3-6 models. They are screw-on bridges for rimless frame, and the left 3 models are wider. Also consider the more stronger ones, and right ones, the ones are same. While for push-on types of bridges, most of them look like a line, so they are very light. You couldn't feel the pressure when it's on your face. All of them are made of pure stainless steel, and with delicate polishing, with second level coating. So please don't compare our parts with other poor quality suppliers. Check the quality and service, please. They are the best for making rimless glass frame.